How to enable dark mode in Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to enable the dark mode on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto U button at the bottom. Just right here, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find settings. Now select it. Then here you can find dark mode right here. Tap on it. Now to enable it, simply tap on to always on. Select it. And now we can see the dark mode is turned on. And that's it. This is how you can enable the dark mode in the Lyft app. And if you want to remove it, simply tap on to always off or use the device settings just like this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.